You were in it while I was running.
No, I wasn't.
No, you're not in your car now.
Honestly?
Nope, you're done.
Yo,
you're done.
You guys kick her out?
Yeah. She started, she was about to start throwing shit at me because she was being aggressive. I said, hey, guys, we can't yell in here. If we want to argue, please take it outside. And then at that point, she started getting nasty, and I had basically my security type guy help me out and get her out. Then she started fighting him, and so he had to, get her out. And that was that.
No issues other than that?
Other than that, no.
Okay, we'll get her out of here. Yep. What's up, man?
So when they were doing all this nonsense outside of the bar,
Yeah.
we came out here after he hit her. The girl hit her, and a dude in a black car hit her. And then
Not black car.
It was a black car.
It was gray.
A white dude?
Yeah, white dude.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see anything I don't know what's happening, but he was assaulting her outside the bar because we're here. So we hear her screaming. We're inside the bar. We're cleaning our bar, getting ready to go home. But
one of our customers peeked out the door and said that a dude hit a woman. So me and him came out.
Oh, you guys are over here?
yeah, but that black woman saying
Yeah, no, she got kicked out. She was fighting somebody inside the bar, and they kicked her out. So she's really drunk. So.
being
Yeah. And then she drove off too.
You guys saw her driving off?
She hauled ass out of the parking lot because he came hit her window. But that black gentleman over there was sitting right there the entire time.
Appreciate it.
You want to step out so we can talk to you?
Okay. I'm fine.
Can you just lean against the car?
No, yeah, I promise. You're good. You're fine, I promise.
You lost your shoes? Or you took them off?
No, I took them off.
Okay.
Okay, so
What's your name?
I'm Zoe Elizabeth Butler.
Zoe?
Elizabeth Butler.
Okay, come over here and talk to me.
Okay, just let me calm down, please. My brother's on his way to pick me up.
Okay.
So I'm fine. But it's just the fact that I was at this bar and just randomly, I promise you I don't know, but randomly from my knowledge of my friend, they randomly just started kicking me out the bar. Okay. Just randomly. I promise I don't know. Personally, I don't know because I was fucked up. Started kicking me out the bar, and I have a bunch of pain all over me. Some guy just kicked me to the floor, kicked me to the ground.
Where did this happen? Out front or inside?
Inside. Okay. Some guy kicked me to the ground, pushed me to the ground to the point I called my brother. Okay. That's all my knowledge.
And you said you had a friend inside? I
had a friend inside. I don't know if he left or not because I know he's not with the drama. So I don't know if he left or not. But I know it's just me right now. And I was kicked to the ground. I literally looked at the ground while I was falling at the door. So I know somebody literally pushed me. I feel it. I feel hurt.
Do you have any marks on you or anything?
I don't know.
You just feel pain, in your wrist or something?
I just feel it.
22,
I don't know. Like I said, I don't know because I'm drunk. I called my brother to come get me. I know he's calling me right now, but I'm dealing with you guys right now.
Okay.
I just know I was walking out the door and I was pushed to the ground. I don't know. I know I was acting a little drunk with my friend. I know that.
Okay.
I'm not completely
of anything specific that happened inside before you?
I just know.
Besides you just being drunk?
I know I was talking to my friend about the guy I was literally it was to that point.
Okay.
But I know I was getting a little loud.
You guys were yelling and stuff like that?
Not yelling, but kind of a little not it was a friendly loud. It wasn't like I was trying to start nothing. It was just a friendly laugh or a friendly loud.
Okay.
And I was telling him about it, but he was telling me, so whatever the fuck, call the cops, whatever, leave him out of it. I was fine with it. Because it's just the fact that I was literally pushed out the bar. Some random man pushed me out the bar. Okay. I know I wasn't causing trouble to where the point you had to push me out the bar. I get if I was being a little loud, it was obnoxious, like making you a little mad, that's to get. But the fact you literally pushed me out the bar, like I could literally probably walk in there and push and like point out the man who pushed me out the bar, because it was literally that recent and that irrelevant at the fact that you had to push me out the bar, because I wasn't causing trouble. I had a lot to say to my friend, and that's it. Like my brother's on his way to pick me up now. I'm not gonna drive home, nothing. But it's to the fact that you pushed me to the ground. Like I feel it in my hands still. Like I feel it. Like you did not have to do that. You could just asked me to walk out. You could ask me to go to my car, anything. But you pushed me to the point I fell to the ground. Like I literally was looking at this man while I was on the ground, like a animal, bro.
Okay, I'm listening to you.
I'm not an animal.
Okay.
So the fact you have to push me, I'm sorry. I'm not being.
You're hurting your own
I'm so
car.
sorry. No, I'm good.
I'm here to
Trust
help
me,
you,
I'm
okay?
good.
I'm not the one that did this to you, so there's
I
no
know,
reason for you
so
to
I
act this way towards
promise
me.
it's not towards you.
Okay, do you need any
promise.
medical attention right now?
I don't need a medical attention. I just need the fact that, like, I was dealt with
I get you.
inhumanly, bro. Like, you literally shoved me outside and pushed me to the ground when I didn't do anything. Okay. Like, I know I was,
let me
all
tell
I
you
was a little bit loud.
My partners went in there and talked to the management inside Blue Boar, and they said that you were causing a disturbance inside, and so they kicked you out of the bar.
Nobody kicked me out of the bar. I promise you, nobody kicked me out of the bar.
Okay, well, it seems like they wanted you out of the bar, and maybe you didn't hear them or something like that, so they thought maybe something was not okay, so they escorted you out of the bar.
Come and get me. And no, if that's the case, I'll ask my brother to come and get me. But that's not the case. I was pushed out the bar like an animal.
Okay.
Like, I'm hurt.
Okay. But you don't want any medical attention?
Nobody told me to leave. Nobody told me nothing. I was sitting at the bar. And then some guy dragged me to outside. And that's when I decided to call the cops. Okay. Because somebody dragged me outside.
Okay.
Nobody told me to leave.
I believe you. So what we can do on our end, if you're saying you fell in the doorway of the bar.
Walk up to the door and ask who told me to leave. Because nobody, I promise you, on everything I love, I know I'm drunk, but nobody told me to leave.
Okay.
No, nobody sat there and acted how I acted till I was able to leave and call the cops to tell them how I was treated.
How far away is your brother?
She should be like 10 minutes.
You want to call him? Because I know he was calling you a few times.
Yeah, I'll call. If y'all want to leave, I'll call.
I'm not trying to leave you here. I'm just trying to...
Him, you can tell. I'm going to just call my brother and ask when I hear how far it is. No, like, literally how the actor was acting. Like, I'm sitting here talking. I came by myself. So no, I didn't come with the mail. I came by myself.
26. You said your friend was a male, but he left already. Don't worry, we're not going to get him involved or anything. I don't even know his name. So
the fact that he left, I don't give a
Okay.
So he wasn't he wasn't even drunk. There's nothing wrong with him. The fact that he left, I'm straight.
Okay, Zoe, so I'm going to tell you, we watch the cameras, okay?
Hey, Wilson.
Yes, sir.
23, I'm going to see if...
I promise you, I'm not trying to lie.
You're going to see what?
I'm not trying to nothing. Whatever I don't know, please let me know. Because I promise you.
Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you, and I'm not making any of this stuff because I promise you it's all on video, okay?
Please.
So, you were causing a disturbance inside the bar, okay? I don't know if it was you were yelling. That's what you said that you were doing. So, it seems like you were yelling inside the bar, okay? So the manager asked you to leave. You refused to leave. You started throwing things at people inside the bar. So the manager requested the security to escort you out of the bar. While you were being escorted out of the bar, you started hitting the security guard. And then when you went through the door to leave was when you were given like an escort out. And then that's when you fell. Okay? And I'm assuming you hit your hands, okay? So that's why your wrist hurts. Okay? Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm telling you that's what we watched on video.
That's what you watched on video. Like, you were standing right there and you watched on video.
Our sergeant watched it. We have videos all around this place, okay?
Watched it.
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
lay a hand on nobody.
Okay, if you don't want to believe that,
I'm confused about why I was getting kicked out of the bar.
Okay.
So, Like
I'm telling you the truth, ma'am.
Just let my brother get here and take me home, and y'all could just shut the fuck up. Literally, I just want to go home. Please, because the fact that I sat here and caused disruptions in front of a bar is highly using me, because that's not what I would do. Yeah, I would sit here and get a little loud with my friend, but when my friend left is when I shut the fuck up, and was the fact that I was kicked the bar and kicked to the ground from being at the bar. So yeah, honestly, I'm not pressing charges, and they're not pressing charges. We can just shut the fuck about this situation, and I can go home. Don't look at my because you have no right to look at my car because I didn't let you. Thank you. Don't touch me and don't get next to my fucking car. Okay, you're next to my car, right? My property, what I pay for, right? Walk the fuck away from me. Thank you. Right here. You're not. Thank you for my brother for coming here, but I'm not that type, bro. So what you watch is just what y'all want to go with. That's fine, because I'm not the type to sit here and cause disruption for nobody. I called the cops on y'all because I wanted help.
You called the cops on me?
Because I wanted help. I called y'all because I wanted help.
Ma'am, we are trying to help you.
Okay, that's done with. Let my brother just come here.
I have not raised my voice. I haven't been rude to you once. And you're being extremely
this
rude
means
to
I'm
us.
done talking with y'all. Y'all can walk away from my car, and my brother can come because y'all know help. Y'all know help. Y'all know help. Nothing happened with my fingers. Don't walk away from my car. No consent on my car. No consent search on my car. You can walk away. That means
technically I could search
that
your car because it
means
smells like weed.
that means you can walk away.
Nope.
That means you can walk away. Thank you. Let my brother come here. He's right here. Y'all can walk away. I'm not driving my car, am I? No, my brother's gonna take me, right?
You were in it while I was running.
No, I wasn't.
No, you're not getting your car now.
Honestly.
Nope, you're done.
Yo, no, I just want my license so I can go with my brother. I just want my license so I can go with my brother. Y'all being like this, that's crazy. That's crazy. I just want my license so I can go with my brother because I see him. And I'm letting you know, and that's crazy that y'all doing this, bro.
You did it. You're going to jail.
I just wanted my card so I can go with my brother because he's right there. I'm suing y'all. I'm suing y'all. That's crazy. What's your name?
Deputy Henderson, ID number 41082.
941.
It's probable cause affidavit.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine, because I was getting my license to go with my brother that's pulling in right now.
We're conducting an investigation. I told you not to get in the car.
I wasn't going in the car. I was just getting my license coming right back out. You could have seen that if you would have listened. Hey, right, Bodycam. You could have listened. I was going to my car to get my license so I could come back out the car to my brother. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Your license on? Is it on? Is it on? It's not on. Is it on? Where's the red light? It's on?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can let them know that I was going to my car for my license. Y'all up, bro. Bro, Chris, bro, I was going to my car for my license. And they pulled me and got me, bro. And up. I was going to my license for my fucking car, and y'all fucked up, bro. I have shit on me. I've been sitting here listening to y'all. I've been helping with y'all. I've been listening to y'all. I've been going with y'all, and y'all acting like a bitch, a criminal, bro. Y'all fucked up. I was going for my license, and y'all asked no, and you looking stupid because you fucking know. No, you no! You know! Bro, they know, Chris! I'm going for my license, bro! And they know! Bro, you bitch! You're a hoe! You're a hoe-ass bitch! Yo, bro!
Kick us, you're getting a felony.
I'm not lying!
Get in the car.
I'm not kidding! I'm trying to help!
Get in the car.
Bro.
You're not helping anything. You're trying to kick us. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Sit like a lady.
Put your foot in the fucking car.
My hands,
Put your foot in the car.
I can't.
Sit up.
You're a grown woman. You can sit up.
I promise I'm trying, bro. I promise you, please stop. I'm trying.
I'm helping you.
I promise. No, I beg.
Put your foot underneath your butt.
Please just. I'm trying, I promise I'm trying.
Not hard.
Please.
There, now put it underneath you and get in the car.
I'm just beg, please try. I'm trying, I promise.
Get in the car, not out of the car.
I'm trying, I promise you, I'm trying. Just please help me. You're abusing me. I'm trying. What the fuck are you
Put your
doing?
feet in the car.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh, sir, your brother? Okay.
Unfortunately, I guess.
Oh, it's not unfortunate. She just got drunk.
Yeah.
So the reason she's going to be going to jail today, okay, she was in no trouble. We were doing an investigation with her. Supposedly there was some kind of fight between her and the bouncer. While we were looking into it, she tried to get into the car. I closed the door, told her she can't get in the car. We're doing an investigation. She pushed up against me, tried opening the car again. That's when she went in handcuffs. She just spit in the deputy's face and kicked her. So she will be going for felony battery on law enforcement. People do dumb things when they're drunk, but try not to hold it against her, your family. So I don't know how many sisters you got, but she's one of the only ones you got. So
She has a kid at home, so
is there anyone else at home with a kid?
my wife is with her kid.
Okay.
Right now.
She'll probably be out in the morning, depending on the judge. Battery on law enforcement is pretty frowned upon, so
It's very frowned
she might not get a bail. So if she doesn't get a bail, she'll be in there for about a month. If she does get a bail, she'll contact you guys. I'll make sure she has your phone number.
Here's her phone. Here's her keys. Windows down. My piece of advice: can we move it out of this parking lot?
Yeah,
It's not the best area.
No.
I'll move the car and
I'd move it probably.
I'm just trying to move it. I'm sure we're off.
I would say if you move the car and maybe have him drive back to get your truck or something, but I wouldn't leave it here.
So
Not the best area.
yeah, so I'll make sure that she has your name and phone number. So when they give her the phone call, she knows who to call. And I'll let her know. I mean, she saw you here, obviously. She knows you're here. I don't know if she'll remember, but she saw it. So.
This is going to be in her.
Yeah, I mean, if anything, if they do give her a bail, if you put up collateral, you only have to pay 10%. So say if they put up a $5,000 bail, it's $500, but you have to put $5,000 up in collateral. She has a nice car. Put the car up for collateral. You know, don't put your own stuff first.
No, I'm not.
Bro, this shit hurts. Please
We're gonna
stop,
fix 'em
'cause
for
you
you.
keep pulling off.
We're gonna fix them for you.
I'm not pulling.
We need you.
Kick me again. Kick me again. Kick me again. We're trying to help you. You're at the hospital.
You're not
Stop acting. Act like an adult.
You're not helping me.
Act like an adult. Act like an adult. Stop acting like a child. Grow up.
You're hurting me.
Sit down.
You're hurting me.
Sit down.
What's your name?
Act like
You up, bitch.
grow up.
You up.
Grow up.
I'm telling
Sit
you,
down.
Who the
Sit
fuck is
down.
your name? I'm you up. What's your
Try to
name?
kick me.
What's your name?
Try to kick me and see what
What's your name, bitch ass nigga? What the is your name? What is your name? Tell me it. Tell me
Right
what
here.
the fuck
Can you
is
read?
your name?
Grow up.
No, I can't see. I want to see your car. Walk in
Hey,
car. Well, walk
relax,
in
just sit in the car.
I want to see your bitch ass nigga.
What is it?
You bitch ass abusing ass nigga. I want your name. I want your name and I want your number. Nah.
Famous ID number 39656.
Zoe, stop
Grow
kicking
up.
the car back.
Act
You
like an
dead. You done for.
I'm
You're
what?
losing your